Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have an MG ZS. MG ZS. One owner, full service history, diamond cut alloys, remote central locking, rear parking sensors, rear camera. Very clean car. This is your key. Flip key. Leather seats. There's instruction manuals in there. That's electric windows in the rear as well, 4 electric windows. Isofix rear seats. Large boot area. You would be able to fit a spare wheel in here if you wished. As an inflation kit. Very clean car, as you can see. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. It has a height adjustable driver's seat as well. This is your key. Foot on the brake. Turn the ignition on.
Will not succumb to the.
This is your climate control. Turn it on here. Shows you here. Touchscreen as well. USB here. There's a 12-volt power outlet here as well for you. Automatic, as I say. More storage areas here to store stuff. The vehicle's done 11,762 miles. Telephone buttons here. Reversing camera. You can see telephone. Navigation. This button here takes you to your home. Apple CarPlay. Oh, Apple CarPlay. Set up. Bluetooth. System. Phone. Pictures and video if you've got a USB in. You can see the thing is car. You can use different cars, different settings in here. Cruise control, speed limiter here. This button here will change this menu up here. Different menus there. Lock, unlock here. Buttons here. Eco button here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.